Yet again, guys, this tornado has grown into a big wedge. It actually keeps growing. This thing is huge. Look at the size of that thing. With the large debris cloud, look at the funnel on that thing. The condensation funnel is pretty good size. Pretty good size tornado. Look at that. Try to get up a little closer. Oh, dang. Look at the size on that. Huge. Look at that. Yeah, this is a wedge tornado. Huge. So guys, I just confirmed something. This tornado that you see right here just came through here, and look at this. Look at this. That right there, if you could call it, I'm pretty sure since the inner walls are still kind of intact, I'm gonna have to give this EF3 or EF4 damage for this tornado, because the inner walls are kind of still standing, but I gotta give this tornado EF4 damage. EF4 to 3 damage. But yeah, I'm giving this tornado a final rating. In my opinion, is an EF3 tornado. The damage of this is EF3 damage. It looks like it, and it surely smells like it. Literally. Look at this. If you look at this, there's also ground scouring a little bit as the tornado is going, and it literally lifted some bricks or something, I don't know. But yep, house damage. So we're going to keep tracking this tornado. It's already got some ground scouring. Let's see. A little bit of tree damage back there. I could see a little bit of tree damage. I'm going to check for any more damage, and I'll let y'all know.